Part 1, Morning Breakfast Problem.
Good morning, Jake.
Morning, Emma. You look tired.
I am tired. I want breakfast.
What are you making?
Eggs and milk. Very simple.
Wait, did you check the milk?
Yes. I think it is okay.
Emma, look. The milk expired 2 days ago.
What? Really?
Yes. Please do not drink that.
Oh no. And the bread is hard too.
That bread is not fresh. It is very old.
Great, now I have nothing to eat.
Just buy something outside.
I do not want to go out. I am hungry now.
Then drink water and think.
Water is not breakfast.
I know, but it helps you stay calm.
My morning is a disaster.
It is okay. We all have days like this.
What should I eat?
Go to the cafe near your house. They make good breakfast.
True, their food is nice.
And fresh. Very fresh.
Fine. I will go now.
Good choice. Enjoy your breakfast adventure.
Adventure? It is just food.
For you, every morning is an adventure.
You are not helping.
I am helping you laugh. Part 2, at the coffee shop. Good morning. Welcome in.
Good morning. I need coffee.
Sure. What can I get for you today?
I want a latte. No, maybe an iced coffee.
Take your time.
My brain is slow this morning.
It is okay. It happens to many people.
Okay. I want one vanilla iced latte.
Great choice. Anything to eat?
Maybe a donut. Something sweet.
We have chocolate, sugar, and cream donuts.
I want one sugar donut, please.
Perfect. One iced vanilla latte and one sugar donut.
Yes, all for takeaway.
No problem. Do you want whipped cream on the latte?
Oh, it looks good, but no. I need less sugar today.
I understand. Many people say that.
My genes understand too.
Haha, here you go. Your latte and your donut.
Thank you. You saved my morning.
I am happy to help. Have a great day.
I will. Coffee is my hero.
Part 3, on the way to work. Emma. Hey, slow down.
Jake? Oh no. Do I look crazy?
You look fast. Very fast.
I am late again. My morning was a mess.
What happened this time?
Old milk. Hard bread. Hungry stomach.
Classic Emma.
Do not say classic. It hurts.
I am sorry, but it is a little funny.
My stomach does not think so.
Did you eat something?
Yes. I bought a latte and a donut.
Good. That will help your brain.
My brain needs a lot of help.
Do you want a bite of my bagel?
No, thanks. I have a meeting soon.
Oh, right. The meeting with your boss.
Yes. I cannot walk in with food in my mouth.
True. That is not a good look.
Not at all.
Good luck, Emma.
Thank you. I need it today.
I hope the subway is fast for you.
I hope the day is kind to me.
You got this.
I try, every day.
Part 4, Make Up Trouble.
Emma, wait. Are you okay?
Why? What happened?
Your face. It looks a little shiny.
Shiny? Oh no. Not today.
Did you set your makeup this morning?
I forgot. I was in a big hurry.
It is okay. I have blotting paper.
Really? You are a hero.
Here, take one. Press it on your face.
Wow, it helps a lot. Thank you.
You are welcome.
I feel like a donut with glaze.
A cute donut.
Not cute. Just shiny.
Do you need my compact powder?
No, I am fine. I can survive.
Your skin looks dry and shiny.
I know. My skin is confused.
Try a hydrating serum. It helps many people.
Any brand?
I like the one from CeraVe.
Okay. I will buy it today.
Good idea.
Now I feel better. But I still look stressed.
It is fine. You worked hard today.
Thank you. You always save me.
Part 5, Grocery Shopping.
Ava, I need to buy food today.
Yes, your fridge is always empty.
True. Everything expired.
Not surprising. You are always busy.
I want to cook something simple tonight.
Okay. What do you want to make?
Maybe pasta. Simple pasta.
Good choice. Do you have anything at home?
No. Nothing. Not even garlic.
Then we must shop now.
I need pasta, sauce, and cheese.
And vegetables. You need greens.
Fine. I will get spinach.
Good. It is healthy.
Should I get chicken or shrimp?
Chicken is cheaper. Shrimp is fancy.
My wallet says it's chicken.
Your wallet is smart.
Oh no. I want toast too.
Focus. Emma. We came here for pasta.
Right, pasta.
And lunch. Do not forget lunch.
My brain forgets everything.
That is why I am here. I remember.
Thank you, Ava. You saved my life.
I save your dinner. That is enough.
Part 6, Cooking Disaster.
Ava, I think my food is ready.
Wait. I smell something.
Smell what?
Burnt. Very burnt.
Oh no. The pan.
Emma, your eggs are black.
I looked away for 1 second.
1 second is enough for you.
This is not food. This is a rock.
A burnt rock.
I cannot eat this.
Yes, please do not.
What should I do now?
Plan B. Cereal. Or fruit.
Cereal is cold. I want warm food.
Then come to my house. I cooked extra.
Really? You will share?
Yes. Breakfast is important.
Thank you. You save me again.
Someone has to save your kitchen too.
I will cook better one day.
I believe you. Maybe.
Hey.
I am joking. Kind of.
Part 7, Cleaning the House.
Ava, we need to clean today.
Yes. Your living room looks wild.
Wild?
Very wild. Like a small storm.
Okay, I will clean the kitchen.
And I will do the living room.
Fair. But no judging, please.
I cannot promise.
What about these magazines?
They are from last year.
I forgot about them.
Then let us recycle them.
Wait, maybe I will read them later.
Emma, you say that every time.
I just want to check one page.
No. Cleaning first. Reading later.
Fine. I will put them away.
Good. You are doing great.
Cleaning is not fun.
True, but it feels good after.
Yes, the room looks better already.
See. Teamwork.
Can we rest now?
After we finish one more corner.
You work like a boss.
And you work like a sleepy cat.
Hey. But, true.
Come on. Let us finish this.
Part 8, Evening Relax and Phone Call.
Ava, we finally finished cleaning.
Yes. The house looks very nice now.
I feel tired but happy.
Same. A clean room feels calm.
I want to rest on the sofa.
Go ahead. You worked hard.
My phone is ringing. It is my boss.
Oh no. Do you want to answer?
Yes. I must.
Good luck.
Hello, this is Emma. Yes, I finished the report. Yes, I will send it tonight. Thank you. Have a good evening.
What happened?
Nothing bad. He just needs the report.
That is normal. End of day work.
I am glad I finished it earlier.
Good planning.
Now I want a snack.
Same. Let us eat something simple.
Maybe fruit?
Fruit is good. Light and healthy.
Today was long.
Yes, but we did many things.
True. Cooking, shopping, cleaning, everything.
And we survived.
I like quiet nights like this.
Me too. Calm and slow.
Tomorrow will be better.
Yes. One small step each day.